Greetings and welcome to the 1 Minute Message with Nicolette. I'm sharing easy ways hard workers like us can improve our well-being by nourishing our most important relationship, the one we have with ourselves. The focus of this 15-day self-care series is mindful eating. It's day 8 and today's practice is to sit down and savor. Literally take a seat each time you eat. Avoid nibbling and snacking in front of the refrigerator or the cupboards. No matter how small the bite, take it in a seated position. You will enjoy it more, be more mindful, and eat less when you give your full attention to it. For the savoring portion, take each bite mindfully. Be sure to smell, taste, notice, and look at each spoon or forkful. Try this practice and let me know how it goes. I'll be back to support you tomorrow. In the meantime, be sure to like, leave a question or comment, and subscribe to this channel to receive the next message.